ShortMeTina here from ShortMeTina.com. So we're gonna wrap up this week with 3 video analysis, and we're gonna kick it off with ticker TLRY. Tilray stock has been in the news, sector has been in the news. There's a lot of great and exciting things happen. If you owned any stock in the marijuana space, I want to say for the past 2 or 3 weeks, your stock has more than likely doubled, tripled, and in the case of Tilray, went on to about an appreciation of over 900% from the IPO price of $20. Too fast, too soon. I've been bearish on the stock, I would say, for the past couple of days, but more so, I was very bearish on September 19th. I want to say that was Wednesday. Just looking at volume, right? All I had to do is look on volume, whether or not there was more selling versus buying, and obviously red denotes selling. And so for me, looking at the fact that there was a lot of people actually pouring out of this stock, I knew that there was more downside, right? So yesterday we closed at what did we close at? Yesterday we closed at 176. We went to a low of 158. I did a video yesterday and I said, well, you know what, if we breach 158, that's the mark to look at. Chances are we're going to go lower. We did just that. We gapped down, opened up at 148, and today we closed at 123. Interestingly enough, the low of today was 121.51. The fact that we closed so close to the low of the day tells me the selling is not done. I expect more downside on Monday. You'll probably get a bounce here at around $95 to $100, but for me that bounce will be short-lived, and I'm going to expect it to again crash below that level. So I think we're going to end up somewhere between the break of $35 to the second break of around let's say 95, somewhere around there. I see the stock kind of settling, so I won't even look at this until it's around $50 or $60. What do we have next? All right, we have GLW. I've been really bullish on this stock. I did a video, actually I did several videos on GLW this week, and I've been actually telling folks about this stock for the past 30 days, right? It's been about a month in the making, and I guess relative to marijuana stocks, it's a bit of a slow mover, but it's kind of a large cap, so it's going to move a little bit slower. But even with that, I still see about an extra 10 to 15 points of upside from here, meaning that I think that the stock can land anywhere from $45 to about $50, right? Somewhere in that range. So why do I like this? Nothing has changed. Rounding bottom, gap up, breakout, consolidation, breakout. It looks like it's consolidating here again, and all the breakouts and the gap ups have been on above average value. So I'm bullish. Again, more upside from here. What do we have next? And we can round it out with Caterpillar, ticker CAT. So full disclosure, all 3 stocks that I've talked about, including CAT, were premium member picks. Some of us are still in these trades. So Caterpillar, interestingly enough, I thought that this one we were going to get stopped out of. It took a while to actually get going. We got in right around here when it was trading at around 129, 130. Again, our initial price target was 144. So you can see here, it popped. We almost got to 144. It got to 143.77. We didn't take any off because, again, sometimes you have to give your stocks a chance. You got to give it time to play out. It pulled back here. When we had this pullback right over here, I said to myself, wow, it pulled back to around 136. I'm like, you know what? We're probably going to get stopped out, but I held because we already had our stop in place. We already had our trading plan. Sure enough, stock we weren't stopped out. We went on to hit our initial target. My motto is let your winners run, shave some off the top, but keep some because you don't know how far they're going to take you. And then we went as high as around I want to say 157, almost 158. And we closed today at 156. So even if the stock bounces around, I'm fine with that. I think we're going to go on to hit that 160 target, which will be about $30 for each share owned, right? Sometimes focus on points, focus on points. Again, sometimes you just have to focus on points. 2 things before I go. I'm on Snapchat at ShortMeTina. Follow. I just created a LinkedIn page, again, at ShortMeTina. Follow, and that's kind of it. If you enjoyed any part of this video, do 2 things for me. 1, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina and hit that subscribe button. turn on notifications. I do videos every single day, and it will ensure you do not miss any of them. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for listening.